Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect PayPal to BlockFi, beginner guide step by step clearly. To connect PayPal to BlockFi, begin by opening your web browser. Navigate to the BlockFi website and log into your account. If you don't have an account, create one by clicking on the sign up option. Once logged in, locate the funding section in your dashboard. Click on Add Funds to initiate the process of depositing money. Choose the option to link your payment method. Select PayPal from the list of available options. A new window will prompt you to log into your PayPal account. Enter your PayPal email and password to proceed. Review the permissions BlockFi requests from your PayPal account. If you agree, click the Allow button to grant access. You may be redirected back to the BlockFi site once the connection is established. Next, enter the amount you wish to transfer from PayPal to BlockFi. Double-check that all information is correct before confirming the transfer. Click on the Confirm button to finalize the transaction. Once the transfer is complete, you will receive a confirmation email from BlockFi. Your funds should now be available in your BlockFi account for use. Remember to log out of both platforms to maintain your account security. You have successfully connected PayPal to BlockFi and can now manage your assets effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.